Hello guys, now we are going to see some applications of trigonometry. Exercise 9.1. See the sum number 1. So the figure of first one, triangle ABC, B is right angle, C is 30 degree and AC is equals to 20 meter row. To find the height of the pole is in triangle ABC, sin 30 is equals to AB by AC. Hello guys, sin 30 is how much? Yeah, 1 by 2. This equals to AB by 20. AB is equals to 20 by 2 is equals to 10 meter. That is height of the pole is equals to 10 meter. 2. A tree is broken. Now this is a tree, this is a point. The tree is broken at the point and that it makes 30 degree with the ground. A, B, C, D. Here to find BD, that is height of the tree. Triangle CAB, AB is given that how much? 8 meter. In triangle CAB, tan 30 is equals to opposite side by adjacent. Hello guys, sin 30 is how much? Come on, tell me. Yeah, that is 1 by root 3 is equals to BC by 8. This implies BC is equals to 8 by root 3 meter. Let it be 1. Again, cos 30 is equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. This equals to AB is how much? AB is 8 by AC. Now AC is equals to 8 into 2 by root 3. This is equals to 16 by root 3. This is 2. Now BD is equals to BC plus AC, since AC is equals to CD, that is 8 by root 3 plus 16 by root 3, taking LCM, this equals to root 3 8 plus 16, this equals to 24 by root 3. This equals to 8 3s are 24 by root 3. This equals to 8 root 3 meter. That is is equals to 8 root 3 meter. To find the length of the slider are two cases. Case 1, case 2. In these below 5 years. This is ABC. Here the height is 1.5 meter. This is 30 degree. 2 point AC. Here the height is 3 meter and the slide made the ground width 60 degree. Let PQR. This is equals to 90. This is equals to 90. In this, to find PR, that is the length of the slider. In this, in triangle CAB, sin 30 is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. That is sin 30 we know 1 by 2, 1.5 by AC. Now AC is equals to 1.5 into 2 is equals to 3 meter. That is here length of the slider. Length of the slider AC is equals to 3 meter. Case 1 is finished. Now see case 2. In this also same. Here RPQ sin 60 is equals to RQ by PR. Sin 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2 is equals to 3 by PR. Now PR is equals to 3 into 2 by root 3. This is equals to root 3 ones are root 3. This is 2 root 3 meter. Length of the slider is equals to 2 root 3 meter. In the fourth question, we are going to find the height of the tower. Here this is the TR. We don't know this is how much. It will be A. The angle of elevation here is what? 30 degree. AR is equals to 30 meter. To find TR, height of the tower in triangle TAR, tan 30 is equals to opposite side by adjacent. Tan 30 is how much? Come on, tell me. Yeah, this 1 by root 3 is equals to TR by 30. This TR is equals to 30 by root 3. This equals to 10 into 3 by root 3. this equals to 10 root 3 meter. That is height of the tower is equals to 10 root 3 meter. Fifth one. First draw the figure. This is kite AB. This made 60 degree from the height of the kite from the ground level is equals to 60 meter. Here to find the length of the thing, that is to find AK, that is length of the string. Triangle KAB is sin 60 is equals to opposite side, that is KB by hypotenuse AK. Now sin 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2 is equals to 60 by AK. Now AK is equals to 60 into 2 by root 3. This equals to 20 into 3 into 2 by root 3. This equals to 20 into 2 into root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Root 3 get cancel. 22s are 40. This equals to 40 root 3 meter. That is length of the string is equals to 40 root 3 meter. Sixth one. The height of the building is 30 meter. We subtract 1.5 from 30. This equals to 28.5 meter. A, B, C, D. Here to find AB. To find AB. In triangle DBC, tan 60 is equals to opposite side DC by adjacent side. Tan 60 is equals to root 3. This equals to DC is 28.5 by BC. Now BC is equals to 28.5 by root 3. Root 3 by root 3. This is equals to 28.5 into root 3 by 3. 3 9s are 0.5. This cancelled. This equals to 9.5 into root 3 meter. Now in triangle DAC, tan 30 is equals to opposite side, that is DC by AC. This equals to DC is nothing but 28.5. Here AB plus 9.5 root 3, that is 1 by root 3 is equals to 28.5 by AB plus 9.5 root 3. Now AB plus 9.5 root 3 is equals to 28.5 root 3. Therefore, here AB is equals to 28.5 root 3 minus 9.5 root 3. This equals to 19 root 3 meter. That is the distance he walked is equals to 19 root 3 meter. The seventh one, draw the figure. This is building, this is transmission tower T, this is angle 45, and this pull is equals 45, this pull is equals to 60 degree. Point A. Now the height of the building is 20 meter. Now to find TB, that is height of the transmission tower in triangle BAG, tan 45 is equals to opposite side by adjacent. This is 1 is equals to 20 by A, 20 by AG. This implies AG is equals to 20 meter. This is 20 meter, like that. Now in triangle TAG, tan 60 is equals to opposite side, that is TG by AG. Now tan 60 is how much? Come on. Yeah, root 3 is equals to TG. TG is nothing but TB plus 20 by 20. That is TB plus 20 is equals to 20 root 3. Now TB is equals to 20 root 3 minus 20. This is equals to 20 is common, take off root 3 minus 1 meter. That is height of the transmission tower is equals to 20 of root 3 minus 1 meter. Eighth one. Here in this is a 1.6 statue. The angle of elevation of the bottom is 45 degree, 45 degree, and the top, the angle of elevation of the top is 60 degree. Here pedestal, this is statue, this is equals to 1.6 meter. Here to find PL, that is height of the pedestal. In triangle PAL, tan 45 is equals to PL by AL. Hello guys, tan 45 is how much? Yeah, 1 is equals to PL is equals to AL. This implies PL is equals to AL. Let PL is equals to H meter. This is S means PL is equal, AL is equals to H. This also equals to H meter. Again, in triangle SAL, tan 60 is equals to opposite side, that is SL. This is equals to H, SL by AL. Tan 60 is equals to root 3. This is equals to SL. SL is nothing but 1.6 plus H by H. That is root 3H is equals to 1.6 plus H. Root 3H minus root 3 is equals to 1.6. Here root 3 is common. Here, sorry, H. Here H is common. Root 3 minus 1 is equals to 1.6. And H is equals to 1.6 by root 3 minus 1. Now rationalize this number, therefore multiply it by conjugate. Root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1. This equals to 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 by 2, 0.8 into √3 plus 1 meter. That is height of the pedestal is equals to 0.8 into √3 plus 1 meter.